The Gepard B2 is a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun developed by Germany in the 1970s. It is based on the chassis of the Leopard 1 main battle tank and armed with two 35mm Oerlikon KDA autocannons. The Gepard B2 can fire up to 550 rounds per minute per gun, with a maximum effective range of 4 km against aerial targets and 2 km against ground targets. The Gepard B2 is equipped with a radar system that can detect and track up to 20 targets simultaneously, as well as a laser rangefinder and an optical sight. The Gepard B2 has a crew of 3, a driver, a gunner and a commander. The Gepard B2 has a maximum speed of 65 km per hour on road and 40 km per hour off-road, and an operational range of 550 km. The Gepard B2 is one of the most advanced and effective self-propelled anti-aircraft guns in the world, and has been exported to several countries, including Belgium, Brazil, Chile, Jordan, Netherlands, and Romania.